Good morning. All right, it's a lively crowd, Matt. All right. So I want to start you all off with just a little bit of a story because this was a lot of fun for Matt and I to deal with. Do you remember the last time you were building something that you just couldn't put the technology down? It was just so much fun to deal with. It could have been a really cool technology platform or just an idea that you had. And then as soon as you put it down, you couldn't wait to pick it back up again. And it even gets better because those moments are special and rare, but they're even more rare when you find multiple technologies that you can put together and make something really, really awesome. My name's John Papa.
And I'm Matt Hernandez.
And we're going to talk to you today about the Jamstack. Ignore the title. It's the Jamstack. It's really cool. We're going to get into that. And this is really all about, we want to have fun. So how can we have fun not only developing, debugging, and deploying JavaScript out there, but we want to know why the tools can't make it fun and efficient for us as well. So it's all about having fun, and we want you to have fun too. So today, our journey, we're going to walk through building an Angular application inside of VS Code, our favorite tools. And then we're going to take that, and we're going to have a serverless functions experience. And we'll show you why serverless really makes a difference in this platform and how it's really, really plays a great role. And then we're going to deploy functions and the Angular app both to the cloud on a static site and then the serverless functions to the function service. And then finally, to make it real, we're going to put it into a CI/CD pipeline with Azure DevOps. This is all the Jamstack. Now, if you're like me, when you first learned about the Jamstack, which might have been right now, or it might have been previously, you're like, what is that? Why do we need another name? Well, according to the website, this is really just, you've got JavaScript. You've got apps building JavaScript like Angular, Vue, React, whatever your favorite might be, or just plain vanilla JavaScript. You have APIs. APIs could be third-party APIs, or they could be serverless functions, which is what we're going to be using today. And then finally, we have markup. So markup is the templated markup. Together, you get Jam. And that's what we're building here. Notice what you're not seeing in this case. There's no servers. So we're going to be using serverless, which doesn't mean you don't necessarily have servers. It just means you think about them less. So why would we do this? When Matt and I were walking through here, Matt, we first were trying to figure out, OK, this is fun, right? Why exactly do you want to go serverless in this Jamstack? Well, the first thing I thought of is I've dealt a lot in my life with large server farms, and you've got a lot of security to deal with. When you're using serverless, you have less security to worry about because a lot of that stuff is hosted for you.
Right.
The second thing is high performance. If you use a consumption-based model, you only have to worry about the scale, basically. Well, it worries about the scale for you. So the scaling just happens. It automatically scales up, scales down to 0, effectively, if you don't need it. So we get all that scale, we get all the speed, and then, of course, the thing we don't like to think about as much as developers, they get the low cost. Which, how much did it price up to you when we priced up this application, Matt?
So just the front end and the serverless portion is about 3 cents a month.
3 cents a month.
Add in the database, and you're at about 25 bucks.
When we talked yesterday, it was 2 cents. That's a 50% increase. All right. So 3 cents a month, 2 cents a month, right?
Yeah.
Something like that. That's pretty cool, and you can scale this thing up pretty good. Even if you had 10 of these, you're still like less than a cup of coffee. A lot less these days. So the key here is, what does this look like for Angular? So let's kind of like map out the diagram of what this might look like. In a modern web app, if you remember back in like the 90s, the big thing was these two-tier applications, client and then a server. And then recently, we've been moving more towards this model the last decade. We've got a web browser. We've got a web server, which serves that. Often we have an application server for all of our business logic, and then a database. We've got this direct line of sight with our application. That's pretty common out there. What we're dealing with today, and we're talking more about with the Jamstack, is we have that web browser, but instead of having these servers out there, we can actually have our APIs directly talk with the web browser, and then the static hosting, which is the fastest way to get our HTML up to the browser. So kind of applying this to what we're building with Jamstack, we have our web browser here, and then we might have something like a reverse proxy, which we'll have when we go live to the cloud, so we can get everything going through one specific URL. And we'll use serverless functions to do that. And then, of course, with that, we'll also have our serverless APIs with our functions. We'll use HTTP triggers there to do that, to get our list of products. We'll have a NoSQL database. We're going to use Cosmos to do that. And then we have an Angular front end, and we're going to use Azure Storage to build this piece. So it's all going to be cloud-based. And the first thing I think of when I think about cloud-based development is how do I actually write that code and test it locally? We're going to see how to do that too. And this is the Jamstack, effectively. Azure Storage, serverless functions, and then your favorite JavaScript library that you might want to use. Well, before we get into this, Matt's going to show the demo. We're going to go from scratch. I want to show you a couple things that VS Code lets us do as we're building Angular React or Vue. Notice here in this animation that as I'm typing in inputs and outputs, VS Code is automatically going to take those Angular strong variables, and it's going to put those into the auto imports. So it's automatically adding the code. I type input, it's automatically putting it up inside my module imports for me. This is really, really valuable because you don't have to go figure out where these things came from. If it can figure it out for you, it automatically adds it, which I find really, really powerful. It lets me keep moving really fast. Because the fun part isn't typing the code, it's seeing it work. Another thing I really like is this thing called the Angular Language Service. It's an extension for VS Code, which lets you connect between the template and the TypeScript code. So as I'm typing in my code right here, click, it knows with IntelliSense that there's a click event. And then it also sees I have this onClick function in my code, which I can then peek into or go to definition directly in my TypeScript. It allows me to flip between those two directly. And if you're using things like Vue, there's a great extension called vtur, which does something very similar as well. And finally, one of the best parts of our demo is we get to show how debugging works with Angular inside of VS Code. So here we're going to use the Edge debugger, which is relatively new, which is pretty cool. Or you can use the Chrome debugger, depending upon where you're working. And you can effectively debug all of your Angular code right inside of VS Code and get all the great VS Code debugging features really, really easily by setting up just those couple lines of code inside your launch JSON. And then, when you run your code and set a breakpoint like this, and then go back to your application, as soon as I type into this box, we can automatically get a breakpoint and all the great features. So where can you get all these great features out of there? A lot of it comes with VS Code, but if you also check out the Angular Essentials extension in the marketplace, you can get a lot of those extra things, like the debugger extensions, the Angular Language Service, and a few other things as well. So check out the extension. That'll help you do exactly what we're doing today. And before I turn it over to Matt to build our application, because this is what we're going to build together, I want to let you know that everything you see today, you'll be able to do yourself. We have links at the end for the GitHub repo, instructions on how to run it. We've got tutorials on how to deploy it to Azure, how to do the debugging, and then you can follow along and try everything yourself. Or if you like, you can just run the demo that Matt's creating at the end, because we have a hyperlink for that too.
Yep. Or you can find me at the VS Code booth, and we can just talk about it.
Yeah, we'll both be at the booths right after this out on the floor, and we'd be happy to show it to you there too. So that said, why don't we just start building? Oops.
All right, so this is the app we're going to build. So this is it actually running out on Azure on a serverless function, just to show you what it looks like. All of this data is coming from our serverless API coming from Cosmos DB. The code is all here on my GitHub. You can go to aka.ms/apm, and the URL for the app where it's hosted, so you can see what it looks like, is here. There is, as John said, lots of information about how to actually run it and what it looks like. Okay, so what I have here is, like, this is just straight Angular code. And just to give you an idea of what that looks like, the way it is right now, I have a JSON file here, which is our data store. So I'm going to start this. And also, you can, my start command, I'll show you what it looks like. My start command is literally just ngserve. Since I don't have the Angular CLI installed globally on my machine, I just run it from package.json. And you can pass parameters down to the Angular CLI using the double dash there. So this will just run ngserve and then open my browser so you can see what it looks like running off of the JSON file.
My favorite part about the CLI is it always seems to get stuck on 92%. There must be something special about that with Angular.
All right, so this is just straight JSON data. So we're going to go from this to backed by serverless functions connected to Cosmos. So back to our editor here. So we're going to start all this with the Azure Functions extension. So we're going to use two different extensions for this entire demo. The first is Functions, and this will actually create a new function app locally on my machine. So I'm going to create a directory in here called functions, very appropriately named.
So Matt, you're creating a functions folder inside the Angular app, so they're both going to live together?
Correct. I'm going to choose TypeScript because that's what I like. Whoops. Okay, so what it did here, all of this that you see that's not committed to Git right now, this is everything that was created. So here's the function app. It's red because I haven't run npm install. Like, don't worry about that, it's totally cool. Here's my products function, which has a single TypeScript file, and this is the code that it generated for me. Also at the top, there's a .vs code directory that was generated. So there's quite a bit of fancy stuff that happens here, and we'll talk a little bit more about that later once we start connecting all the pieces together. But the short version is that it automatically set up the VS Code debugger so that I can hit F5 and run this. So let's go ahead and we need Cosmos. So you have, since these are technically separate apps, I can cd into the functions directory, which is just the pure function app, and it has its own package JSON file. And I need to install Azure Cosmos.
Yeah, because we don't want to install Azure Cosmos or functions in the Angular app because it's not using them directly. It's using those loosely coupled.
On the server.
On the server, in the cloud.
Just to make sure we get our Azure functions here. All right, so that's cool. I did create some magic here so that you don't have to like watch me nervously type a bunch of stuff. So what this is going to do, we're using some environment variables to connect to Cosmos. I'll show you how to set up the environment variables, and then we will actually create the Cosmos client here. And then for this portion, we're going to get rid of all this boilerplate, and we're going to read from the database. So I have it set up in this case to just check the method. So in the binding config, which is this function.json, it defaults to letting you accept GET and POST requests. You can actually add put or delete or anything like that you want, so that this one endpoint can handle all products-related API calls. So I'm checking for if it's GET, which means just get it all. I can do like a POST to add a new one, or put to edit, that kind of thing. And then, of course, I'm just reading from the database, read all, convert it to an array, send it back.
And you're using the Cosmos DB's API, the SQL API.
Correct.
So we don't have to actually write, we can write SQL queries if we want to, but we can just use the methods and functions for that.
Right, here, I'm gonna, so you can see the whole code. Okay, so now we have our code to connect to the database, get the data from the database. We need to make sure that these environment variables are working. So the functions extension, when it's scaffolded out this app, it creates a local.settings.json. This is a way that you can configure your function app locally without having to commit this. You'll notice that it's actually gray in the list because it's get ignored by default. But you can set this up so that you can test locally and then deploy, and those things are kind of disconnected.
So in Node, we normally have like a .env file. But here, instead, we have a local.settings.json. It's just effectively a way for us to get those values locally while we're using it. We'll still have to deal with how we get it to the cloud later, but we'll show you how to do that too.
Right. So please don't steal my master key for my database. Let's be nice to each other. But I also, something special in here is I did set up cores. And the reason I need to do that is because when we're running locally, we'll be routing through the Angular app. So since they're on a different port, technically they're different domains, so I have to add this cores thing. So this will not be deployed with the app to functions.
And Angular, by default, is on port 4200, and functions is on 7071?
Correct.
So they just need to talk to each other.
Nailed it. All right, so at this point, we should be able to run this. So it gave me again, I mentioned in the beginning that it did create a launch.json file for me when I initialized the app. So that's where this debug config comes from. And I can just click the button. So this will work a little bit differently with different languages. So in functions, you can use C#, JavaScript, TypeScript, et cetera, et cetera. because I'm using TypeScript, there is a build step. So it's going to compile everything over to JavaScript, which is what you're seeing now. And here's the functions host. So fun fact, this is actually, I don't know how much people know about functions, but this is actually the functions runtime that executes out on the Azure cloud, running on my machine as part of the core tools. So I can actually just click this, and my browser's in the background. So now we have our data. So as John said, this is on port 7071. This is going out to space, hitting Cosmos, and then coming back with our data.
So the only thing touching the cloud right now is just the database, because we're using a cloud database. You could obviously use Mongo locally or something else if you wanted to, but we just chose to use the cloud database here, but everything else is running on his machine.
All right, so now we have our API, we're getting data, we need to connect Angular. So
yeah, we don't want people or users to actually have to browse to the data. We'd like to actually have an app for it.
So what we'll do is we'll just switch this here.
So in our application, we have a URL which points from the client to where the server data is going to be in the APIs, and that's what he's changing now. Instead of pointing to a static file, which really doesn't scale well, we're going to point to our actual endpoint with functions.
Right. So the Angular app will run on port 4200. The function app runs on 7071, and we'll just let the browser make the request directly over to the function app. And I am in the right environment file. Yes, I am. OK, cool. Now, theoretically, we could start the function app, and we could start the Angular app separately right now and see all these pieces work together, but we're going to do something a little bit fancier. So John mentioned the ability to do like the Chrome debugger or the Edge debugger. So let me show you what that looks like.
By the way, when he says fancier, he means really cool stuff.
I'm not sure which extension was it. Angular Snippets.
The Angular Snippets extension.
The Angular Snippets extension gives you some snippets to set these up automatically. Whoops. So I am using Edge, the new Edge, and there's this pre-launch task as well. So VS Code has this surprisingly powerful way to handle automation, and we're going to leverage that. So this was already created for us with functions, and you'll notice there's quite a bit of stuff going on. You don't really need to know everything that's going on, but it's essentially the npm install, the build, and starting up the functions hosts. And we're going to create our own. Now remember, this was called npm::start. It's npm: because it maps to a particular type of task. So if I do task start, you'll see it's of type npm script of start. So that's why it looks a little bit different than some of the other ones.
And if you want to get these same exact JSON snippets that he's using, if you use that Angular snippets file, it'll give them for you. So it's not like something he's got locally. You can actually use the same ones.
Right. So now we have our Angular, which will start. It'll actually run npm start and then connect to the browser. And then we have our function app. But we're going to go one more step forward.
So we don't have to choose? We don't have to run one or the other?
Of course not, John.
Of course not.
So
this is fun.
We can create what's called a compound. And here we'll just call it Jamstack app. And then we'll get some fancy IntelliSense here. So it knows the two different launch configurations that I have already. So it'll just recommend those to me. And now I have a third option in this list for Jamstack app. And we're going to click this button and hope I didn't forget anything.
Press the button, press the button.
So it's going to run these two things in parallel. So you'll see there's the functions host doing its thing. If I switch back to this one, here's the Angular app doing its compilation step and getting ready to start up.
And then it's building the application. And the third one is the functions host start, right? The func host?
Right. So functions is now running. So our API is up. In a second, it should turn red. I'm going to stand back because this part is like really magical. There we go. So now you see we're pointing at host port 4200. So we're on the Angular app. It's pulling data from the back end. And just to show you that that's totally real and I'm not still reading from the JSON file, let's do something interesting here. So here is our function app. Let's set a breakpoint here. So this is actually this grayed out circle because since it's a compound, we have two different contexts for the debugger. So if I switch back over to the node function one, it knows the breakpoint is good. I'm going to switch back to the Angular one because I'm also.
Yeah, because usually that gray empty circle means we did something wrong with our setup for debugging. In this case, it's only gray because you have to select which debugging context you want to be in. And don't worry if they're gray with this because they'll still get hit automatically as well, which we'll show you how that works.
All right. So I've set 3 breakpoints here. I'm just going to refresh the page and I'll talk through them when they're hit. Okay, so this is the Angular app. So this is actually making the HTTP request to the backend. And I believe somewhere in here you can see the URL. So you can see the URL is actually pointing to localhost 7071. I'll resume. Now we're in the backend. We're on functions. We've just made our request over to Cosmos to get the data. You can see in the results here that I have my 5 items coming back from Cosmos. I'll resume again. And now we're back in Angular. And here's the data that just came back from the backend API to the client code. So we're back in the browser now. And then there we go. So I can now debug the backend, the front end, all of those pieces together. The typical debugging experience that you get with VS Code is all here. So breakpoints, log points, everything, all there.
This is really cool because now you can do full stack debugging all in one spot. And the only thing you need besides VS Code is either the Chrome debugger extension or the Edge debugger extension inside your app, which are just free from the marketplace. That's really, really cool and powerful.
Yeah, that's like the big wow moment. This is so I was really excited about actually setting this talk up, and this was part of what made this so freaking fun, was getting this to work. And there was a moment where like I had all the tasks in the right places and I hit the button and it worked, and yeah, I feel good about that. All right, here we go. I think we're back to 1.
And we're back to 1. Cool. So we just did a whole lot. Matt coded up this application, and the only thing we started out with that was there before was the Angular app, which we could have generated from scratch as well. So we started out with an Angular app. We added in our Azure Functions. We added in Azure Cosmos Database with just a couple lines of code to hit a database backend, and then we connected them all together, running them locally on our machine. And we had cores enabled so we could do that with full access for debugging. Quite a bit going on there. The next step for all of this is going to be, we want to take this and move it off of Matt's Surface and put it up into the cloud. Because while it all runs locally, it's not real till somebody else can see it. You want your friends to get it, you want your business to get it as well. So to do this, the 3 pieces we're going to need are going to be storage. And with this, we'll be able to go then view our files. We're literally going to take the files that he generated with Angular after he builds it, push them up to storage in the cloud. And then we're going to use functions again, because so far, our functions just live locally on our machine. But we can take that whole function experience, and then we can push those up into the cloud, and then we can deploy those, and we can look at the app logs and stream those to see what's happening there. And then finally, Cosmos DB, which we're going to be able to look at the cloud and see how that's working. And now when we move from local to the cloud, a few things are going to have to change. Remember, we had cores running locally. We'll have to address that in the cloud somehow, so we can have the 2 different apps talk to each other. And we also have to worry about our environment variables, which, as Matt mentioned, were both git ignored in the local settings file and function ignored. So we have to have a way to get those from his machine up into the cloud. So that's the next step. We're going to see how we can take that whole thing up there. Matt, drive it to Azure.
All right. Okay, so where do we start? Let's go over to our functions extension and our storage extensions. So we're going to start by deploying the Angular app.
And maybe we should pause for a minute and let them know why we started there, because you and I discussed this for a while. We're like, what do you deploy first, the function or the client app? And I think we decided on the client because you want to see something, right? But I don't think it matters which one you start with generally, but I think this way at least you get a little more immediate feedback.
Right. Yeah, the other thing is we're going to have to deploy a couple of different times for this first time, only because we're creating URLs as we create these things. So I'm going to do a totally fresh storage account. I'm sure nobody's used the name build 2019, but we'll add APM to the end. There we go.
You should use build 2020. We'll get an advance here.
We can do West US since we're over here. Okay, and you'll see the little spinner right here. So this is going to go through and create our storage account. And notice I used the blue up arrow. This is like the deploy icon, and you'll see it in all of the Azure extensions that support deployments. The blue up arrow is like the starting point for deploying these apps.
We should make stickers for the blue up arrow. It's that cool.
I like the way you think, John.
So right now he entered in just a couple things, right? Like the name of the storage app, where you're going to put it, and then of course the location of that of the storage app.
Right. Now once it's created, I will get another prompt. There it is. So you can create storage containers without actually enabling website hosting, but in this case we do, since we are trying to deploy it. It needs to know how to serve up the content. And now here's our deploy step. It automatically recognizes that I have a dist directory in my workspace, since this is an Angular app and that's where it builds to. So I'll pick it. And it's
That was quick.
Pretty fast. I mean, it's only 12 files. All right, so requested content does not exist. And that's okay, because /API/products does not exist, and that is an accurate error.
So you're trying to say that the storage account can't see your local machine's functions?
That's right.
All right.
So thinking back to the diagram earlier in the presentation, there was this reverse proxy layer. So we're going to configure our reverse proxy before we deploy our function app.
Yeah, because we have this problem now. We've got the storage account URL, which was generated for us, and then we're going to have a functions URL, which will be generated for us, and we want them to be able to talk to each other so the users don't have to worry about that these things are actually hosted in different places. And that's what we're going to solve with proxies.
So functions gives us a really nice way of doing that, and the extension, when it generated all of this application code for us, it did, wait, that wasn't right, there we go. It did give us an entry point into that, so I do have the nice thing here. Oh, no.
You got an extra proxy.
I did. I couldn't remember exactly where I put it.
Oh, the joy of snippets.
There we go. Okay, so there's one thing we need to add, and I'll walk through this a little bit. So this is just kind of like a wildcard type thing. What we're doing is we're saying that the front end hosted on storage will take, so that's just the friendly name of it. Any requests to index with a path of just generic stuff, so this will be like our style sheets, our JavaScript, our index.html, any of those requests are going to be proxied down to our storage account that we just created and just deployed to. Anything on /API will just send to localhost 7071 running on the function app hosted out in Azure and all the rest of the path. So that's it. We're ready to deploy our function app.
Yep. So the proxies are going to allow us to hit which one will be the client app then, the function URL or the storage URL?
So creating a function app is a little bit quicker. Let's see. We'll put a dash in there for kicks.
So the function app only asks you one question. Well, the function extension, right?
Yeah.
So we just get one question. What do you want to call this thing? And it automatically chooses some defaults for you. We're working with the storage extension that'll do something like that soon as well, ask a few less things.
All right, so this is actually creating everything you need to run a function app. So it's going to create its own storage account. When you're using triggers other than HTTP, so if you're using Cosmos, actual Cosmos input or output bindings or storage input or output bindings, you need a storage account associated with your app. And the functions extension kind of assumes that you're going to do something advanced, so it does automatically just create those things for you. If you want to manually step through those, you can switch into advanced creation mode where it prompts you for every single thing.
That's one thing I like about these extensions is they let you opt into the, just give me the quickest way to get from point A to point B to Azure, or we can actually break down into, let me go through all the different configuration options that we want. And of course, you can always jump to the portal when you're done. In fact, all the extensions support where you right-click, and then you can show them that menu option. You can right-click and just open in the portal if you want to. So you can get full access to everything right from there, too. But it's kind of nice to stay right in VS Code and do all this.
I'm a little biased. Okay, so now our app has been created. It's automatically going to start to deploy. So the tasks that I mentioned earlier that are part of the start when you go into debugging, they're actually used for the deployment as well. So it'll npm install, it'll run your build, and then it'll prune all of your dev dependencies to make sure that your deployment artifact is as small as possible.
This is building our function application and pushing it up there. And Matt, after both of them are up there, can you show how we can look at the files for storage as well through the extension?
I can. I totally can. What did we call it? Build 2019. Oh, yes. It starts with a B. That was a great idea. So when you enable a storage account for web hosting, it creates this magic $web container, and that's where it puts all of the code for our Angular app.
And you may have noticed Matt had earlier typed in index.html for one of the prompts for storage. That is because he has an index.html file. That's the root of the application he wants storage to serve in the application. So that's why you're also seeing it there. And you can actually look at that file if you wanted to. I don't recommend this, but you could actually edit the file and upload it directly on the server as well. But it is an option for storage.
Yep. So I lost my notification, but if you notice, there was a notification here after the function app was deployed. One of the options is to upload the settings, and we absolutely want to do that. So remember, we created environment variables for our Cosmos connection. So this will actually prompt us.
Yeah, what settings are those, Matt?
Oh, boo, it didn't prompt me. Let's see. So I'll open it back up. Local.settings. It's the Azure Cosmos endpoint. So it's only going to pick what's in this values section that is the environment variables. Here, let's go back over here. So we can do the same thing here. If we go to the application settings for our app, right-click, upload local settings.
Which is powerful because let's say you didn't fill out that file or you wanted to use different ones for a different environment. You could actually edit them here in this file or upload them directly right from the extension.
So I lied. It actually did upload those. It just didn't prompt because it automatically found those because I guess Eric pushed an update. So thanks, Eric. All right, so yeah, everything's here. There's our Cosmos endpoint just to make sure.
I love the fact that you've got them hidden on the left, but it's in plain text on the right-hand side so where you can copy down your keys.
Yeah. Yeah, that's all right. It's okay.
You didn't see that.
There's nothing sensitive in that database. Okay, so now our function app is deployed. Let's just go test that. So copy the function URL. So we should see the same data that we were seeing locally coming from our Cosmos database. And there it is. Okay, we also need this here.
So right now, just to kind of pause for a moment, you've got the storage app up and running, and you've got the functions app up and running, but how does the client app know to talk to the API that you just created?
Hey, great question, John. So Angular has the concept of like environments, and you can do environment.prod versus environment, where my environment, TS, marks this as production false. In prod, I mark that as true. And what we'll do here is,
because the Angular app doesn't have anything called API/products anymore, so we have to tell it where to find that endpoint.
right. Actually, you know what? We can just leave it like that. We can just leave it like that, because we're going to proxy all this.
Mm-hmm.
Oh boy, I hope that's all right. Okay, so we do need to build this before. So we just changed our, you know what? Yeah, we just changed our product URL. Sorry, I'm second guessing myself because I think I can actually just hit it now since I already set up my proxy. I can. Okay, so because I had already set this to default to API products, which earlier when I set this up, I was thinking like, oh, that's just nothing. It actually is the right endpoint for this URL. So what's happening, if you notice that let me just go back, that I took the function app, so this is the actual function app URL, I just deleted the /API, and then because our proxy is doing the proxy pass down for anything on / down to index.html or whatever it needs for this, it automatically just worked. So I didn't have to do a second deploy. That's
Could you show
fancy.
the proxies, Jason, again?
I absolutely
Just to kind of drive that home. This is really important. Proxies are really, really cool in how they can work with functions. And there's other ways to accomplish this too. But what's nice about this is everything right at the root of the application just still serves the Angular app inside of storage. The only thing that's really going back into the functions is anything that begins with /API. So that's why we can just say API products, and we're good to go. But of course, you could have changed that URL to point to a third-party URL or any other place that you want to go to as well.
Right. There we go.
That's
It's all
it.
deployed.
We're in Azure, and all of you can hit this as well. If we wanted to extend this, we could do like CDN if we wanted to. We could set up a custom URL.
Yeah.
TLS.
Yep. So as John mentioned, this is actually another really fun side effect of the fact that we're using functions proxies is that you can right-click here, open in portal, and you can find the place where you can set up a custom domain for a function app. You can turn on TLS. You can buy your own cert. You can do all of that in the portal, including buying a custom domain and just sticking it in there.
Very cool.
Back to
All right,
one.
so you took it from local machine up to the cloud. We did all of our debugging and everything there. We showed how we can look at the files inside of the storage extension inside of VS Code, which is really powerful. I really like the local settings piece of that because deal with a lot of environment variables, especially if you have multiple environments. You don't want to have to worry about, where's my database URL for QA, testing, prod, et cetera. So now we can just easily set those to the local settings and right-click and just upload those when we want. We can take advantage of the full functions API as well. And my favorite is the custom URLs because when I go live, I don't know about you, but I don't want azurewebsites.net as my company's URL. So you can actually post those over with your own, which if we wanted to, we could go buy a URL right now and set it up.
Good.
We could use your money.
Oh, yeah, totally.
That'll work.
All we'd have to wait for is DNS propagation.
Yeah, exactly, which never takes more than a couple days. Yeah, cool. So the next step is you want to make it real. Your boss says, this is great. Have you ever run into this issue where you build something really cool at work and you show it to your boss and it's a proof of concept in your head and you hard-coded stuff and then they're like, that's awesome, can you go live this week? Yeah, it happens all the time. Well, to make it go live, we don't just want to rely on Matt having to press the button or yourselves inside of VS Code to upload it. Uploading from VS Code is great for development, for quick iteration, to keep things moving along. But once you go to production or you want to get ready to go to production, it's much more important to have a pipeline in place using your favorite tools. You can use things like Jenkins or Circle CI or Travis or any of these. We're going to use Azure DevOps pipelines. So we're going to kind of walk through how this works. And the thing I like to think about when we're building a pipeline is, what are you exactly trying to do? You're trying to deploy your web app from your computer to the cloud. Now, there's no magic in this because it's something we've already done. Think about what Matt walked through here. First, we have to build our Angular app, npm build. We can do that. We need to get all that stuff working. We need Node running. We need npm there. We need npm build to run. For that. We need to then push that code up to storage when it's done, whatever is in the dist folder for Angular. And then we also need to do the similar things for functions. We need to install the functions runtime. We need to build the functions, run the commands to do that, which is the same things we're doing through VS Code. Now we're just going to put those in a recipe up inside of Azure DevOps Pipelines and have it do it automatically for us. And we'll set up a trigger, what is it, on pull request?
Yep.
Yeah. Whenever a pull request is made, that's when we're going to merge the stuff up into the cloud. So with that, let's take a look at how we can automate this deployment. And this is all public, so you can actually look at these steps as well. The wrong one.
Boom, there it is. All right, so again, this is all on GitHub. And the interesting part is I actually have all of this stuff configured already. So you can click this button, and it'll take you out to Azure Pipelines. And you can see the build and release happening. You'll probably see some commits from John. And if you're, I'm not sure, I think you have to be logged in to see the artifacts button, but that's not super important. All right, so this is what I have set up right now. So I have a single build pipeline and a single release pipeline. I'm not going to go through the complete steps of putting these pieces together, only because we have about 20 minutes left, and it's probably about 15 of that. But I will show you this. So if you're in GitHub and you're wanting to get your GitHub repo set up for CI/CD with Azure Pipelines, you can go to github.com/marketplace/Azure Pipelines, click this plan button. I just like the fancy animation. And you can do this all for free. So this will be publicly accessible. It's very comparable to any other free hosted CI/CD.
I think the only requirement to be free is has to be shown publicly.
Yeah. Yeah, but other than that, you do get, like you see here, you get Linux, Mac, and Windows workers. So you can build this cross-platform for free as well, which, to be honest, I was really excited about. We use this on the Azure extensions as well. We build everything on every platform. I've already got this set up for my main account, so I'm not going to click the button. But once you click this button, then it walks you through how to get it set up. So your first step will be to choose. I can actually show some of that. First step will be to choose your skip this part.
This is the most important button you'll press, by the way.
Yeah.
Do you want it public or private?
Well, yeah, you won't see this part. Just give it a name here. I'm going off script a little bit, but it's okay. So you will get, it'll automatically select your GitHub repo. You'll see this one here. If I set up the build, it's not taking me to where I wanted it to. You get a better interface if you start from GitHub. It automatically has like the connections to your GitHub account. You don't have to click the extra button to auth and that kind of stuff. And then you're dropped into something that looks about like this. So because we have two separate apps essentially, I have two separate build tasks. So I'm building the Angular app. These recipes all exist, so you can just say build a function app and it'll automatically drop all of these pieces into the right places. Build a Node app, it'll drop these into the right places as well. The only thing that I did change is I am using a very specific command, the build production command, for my Angular app to make sure that I'm building it for prod and getting the correct API URL, since it's different for local. And I'm doing the prune. I'm real picky about this. This is just going to prune out all the dev dependencies. Angular has quite a few of them. So
yeah, this is really important for JavaScript apps these days. A lot of times you hear people say they're going to npm build and then they're going to deploy the application. When you do an npm build, some of these tools these days, when they're using Webpack and other build tools, will actually include extra files for the build process. And if you're really picky, like Matt and I are at the end, if you run npm prune on those, after you're done, it'll get rid of anything it needed to include just for the build process. Because the end result is you want as small as possible files up onto the web server. You don't want to be putting all of your build stuff up there either.
Right. So next we just archive all these files. I did do one special thing here, and that is to make sure that I was just archiving the dist. The first time I ran through this, I did not do that, and I was really confused at why my deployments were so large. So make sure that when you're zipping up your Angular app, you're only grabbing the dist directory.
So the dist folder is where the Angular app's production files are.
Correct.
But if you don't do dist, you're getting the root.
Correct.
And it was getting your node modules files, I assume,
yeah.
which are just a few out there. So if it takes a long time for you, make sure that you're pointing it at, whether you're using React or Vue or Angular or any of them, make sure you're pointing at the dist folder that they use.
Yeah, and these variables that you see in here, you can get those. You don't have to remember those things. If you just hit the little dots there, it'll walk you through like picking the right directory and insert the correct variable for you.
Which is really helpful because I never remember those.
Yeah, I didn't do anything for this. This is just default. And then for the function app, I started with the generic functions build experience, and I left it as the generic functions build experience. Didn't have to do anything except add functions because our directory is nested. Our function app is nested within our Angular app.
Yeah, because in our specific case, we put it in the functions folder, but most of the time you don't have that. This is just because we wanted them both to live in the same application.
Right. So that's the build pipeline, and you can see John was making changes yesterday afternoon, and this is actually set up. So there was one other thing that we had to do for this, but I think that was actually, yeah, here we go. So triggers, you have to configure the triggers. If you do it through GitHub, I believe it prompts you for this, but we want to be able to, we want to build anytime there's a push, right? So anytime there's something that's pushed to master, we'll build, and that I'll show you the trigger for the release as well. So you can set up pull request validation as well. So when user or team member, I guess is probably, I don't know how everybody else does it, but what we've typically done is everybody works in a feature branch, and then you propose your changes back to master. The CI runs against that. Code review happens there. Once you deploy, or once you merge into master, that's when we kick off the deploy, and that's hooked up to the staging environment, which was a next level step with slots, but we've already talked about a bunch of stuff, and I didn't want to add one other level of complexity in there. So
yeah, there's so much you can do with the pipelines, and we've got plenty of sessions that are full on with pipelines. We just really wanted to show you how you can build your Angular Node React app, and then also build your function app in the same pipeline.
Right.
When you go through here. Would you mind clicking on one of the results of one of the builds? Just kind of show those steps that ran through.
I would not mind.
So as you can see, it's got two things on the left. Those are both the different jobs that we ran I made some kind of a quick pull request and pulled things in. And you can see all the steps that kind of went down through, using the version of Node, so on, et cetera. And it actually shows you the full output, which is really, really nice as you're building these kinds of applications.
Yep. There is one extra step in here. This is just because I'm using my Microsoft account. You probably won't have this weird component detection thing. I tried my best to get it out of there, and I just could not get it out of there. So next we have release pipeline. So I want to go to the edit because I like this view.
Because at the end of the build, you create some artifact, which is what you're going to deploy.
Right. So over here, you pick your artifact. Honestly, if you just click the add button, it knows the artifacts that you generated based on your build task, so it just gives you the right stuff. You set your trigger here. So what this will do is any successful build from a build pipeline will automatically trigger the release pipeline to kick out. So I set that up. So I did, again, 2 stages in a single task, which is strange. I'm not sure what the right language is, to be honest with you. So the first stage is the function app, and super simple, deploy Azure function. I didn't have to do anything, just pick my artifact. And again, if you click the ... it knows all the artifacts. So you'll see, like, here's my function. It'll show you the most recent one that I built, which was build number 87. Use the star instead of the number 87, unless you just want to deploy number 87 every time.
Yeah.
So that's a little tricky. And then we have our storage. This one is incredibly simple. So you want to extract all the code that you just dumped into your artifact, and then copy it over to your $web container. That is it.
And that's all you do to get up there.
I can show you release. So here's what's actually deployed right now. So it was from John's commit. Clicking into these, I believe, also shows similar results to the build. Yeah.
You can see the builds don't take too long, the deploys don't take too long, because it's just a couple files that's pushing around. The amount of files that you have and the size of them will also slow down your deployments. So if you're building a quick Hello World app like we are, it's very quick.
Yep.
If you're deploying an application that's 500K with more files, it'll take a little bit longer. But you're still talking seconds or minutes.
Yeah, you can see that one was 33 seconds for storage and 40 seconds to deploy for functions. Or other way around. They're super quick. I mean, we're literally just copying files over. And this also, last year when I was here, we were showing off the extensions, the right-click build, and somebody handed me a sticker that says, "Friends don't let friends, right-click deploy." And so I had to make sure that pipelines was part of my talk this year to make sure that.
Well, we're friends, and I'll let you right-click deploy as long as you promise to have a pipeline at the end.
Thank you, John.
All right. So just kind of recapping what we did here. There's a lot going on, a lot of moving pieces. And we did this on purpose because we wanted to show you that there's a complete picture. This wasn't just having fun with one tool like Angular or VS Code or the Edge debugger or functions or storage. It's how do you build real apps? Because today, real apps, you're building those with a lot of different puzzle pieces. And when you can get those puzzle pieces together and they work really smoothly and efficiently, that's when you're having a lot of fun doing this stuff. So hopefully you can see that you can have fun doing all this too. Developing, debugging, deploying everything with your JavaScript apps. And it all just works out of the box with the VS Code extensions. So again, recap, we did all these things here today. We want you to try them all as well. Everything that we did, you can try. And to do that, you just get these links here. The first one is going to bring you to a tutorial on how you can build a static site right up on the code website that Matt wrote. And then there's a serverless tutorial that'll show you how you can create functions. And while there's many functions tutorials out there, this one is special because it's going to help you build the kind of app that Matt built using TypeScript up as well. And then there's going to be VS Code extensions. If you click on that, that'll get the extensions for functions and storage and some others that'll help you in Cosmos, that'll help you with the Azure apps. And if you just want to go look at the code, because if you're like me, you just like to run the code, we created this repo up here, APM on 5 is prime. That's Matt's repo. And there's a great README file which explains everything that he did that you need to do. You can also click on the button right in the README to go over to the Azure DevOps Pipelines. And if you want to learn how to create one of those pipelines, you can just click that button down there.
You're also welcome to create issues if you have questions. Or like I'm 5 is prime on the internet pretty much everywhere. You can find a way to get in touch with me to ask questions.
You can find us on the internet if you're not here, if you're watching this on video, and if you're in the room, definitely catch us after the talk. We're going to go over to the booths for JavaScript and VS Code over in the Build big room, and we hope to talk to you there about doing all this. We hope you enjoyed this, and we hope you have a lot of fun trying this out yourselves. Thanks for coming.